Hi everyone, welcome to my new series where we read short stories in Slovak together. Each episode we'll read a little story, learn new words, and then I'll quiz you on what happened. Ready? Let's go! At the shop. V obchode. Je popoludnie. Je popoludnie. It's afternoon. Peter ide do obchodu. Peter ide do obchodu. Peter goes to the shop. V obchode je veľa ľudí. V obchode je veľa ľudí. There are many people in the shop. Kupuje chlieb a mlieko. Kupuje chlieb a mlieko. He buys bread and milk. Vidí červené jablká a kupuje 3. Vidí červené jablká a kupuje 3. He sees red apples and buys 3. Predavačka sa usmieva. Predavačka sa usmieva. The cashier smiles. Peter platí a hovorí ďakujem. Peter platí a hovorí ďakujem. Peter pays and says thank you. Ide domov s taškou. Ide domov s taškou. He goes home with a bag. Je spokojný. Je spokojný. He is content. Quiz. When does Peter go to the shop? Kedy ide Peter do obchodu? Popoludní. What does Peter buy? Čo Peter kupuje? Chlieb a mlieko. How many apples does Peter buy? Koľko jablok kupuje Peter? 3. What does he say to the cashier? Čo hovorí predavačke? Ďakujem. How does Peter feel? Ako sa cíti Peter? Spokojný. Nice work, you did amazing today. Tell me what new Slovak word did you learn. See you next time.